This video is proudly brought to you by Albatross Toys and Models, a family-run business located in the heart of Aberystwyth. They've been part of the local community for years, offering a vast selection of model railway products, including 00, N, 009 and O-Gauge, from top brands like Hornby, Bachmann, Dapple and Pico. If there's something you need that's not in stock, they're always happy to order it for you. Alongside their wide range of products, they also stock scale buildings and kits from Metcalfe to help bring your layout to life. Their website is currently under construction, but you can still place orders via phone and email, and they offer postal delivery too. Make sure to check out their social media pages to stay up to date with their latest arrivals and special offers. The shop is located at 29 Pier Street, Aberystwyth, and is open Monday through Saturday from 10 AM to 5 PM. They are also open on Sunday during peak season and the run up to Christmas. Thank you to Albatross Toys and Models for sponsoring this video.
It's got a really good way of keeping people captivated.
Well, there's something moving all the time, isn't
Yeah.
it? Is this the original rolling stone?
Yes. So this is usually in the museum down at the Tower of Lynn.
Well, to be honest, I never did this.
Oh, fair enough.
I didn't realise.
Yeah. Well, we've got some timetables if you want to pick one up. But, yeah, no, this is up in the, we've got a recreation of his study from his.
We don't usually run it with 3 wagons, so. But I'm determined to see why it doesn't work.
But it works, so I don't pretend to.
Got a hold it. Is uncoupled.
And it just
And scurries away to the quarry line again. I mean, that's 1949, I think.
That is Thomas, is it?
Yes.
That's Thomas.
Thomas is due in at Farquhar at 10:20, and as the platform road is occupied, he is signalled through along the quarry line.
Yeah, that was a time.
Passengers for Farquhar Station get out at the level crossing in the town.
There's Thomas going. Thomas is going to pick up some carriages, I think. Oh, he's going to collect some.
Lorry sidings on her way to the oil depot. She doesn't really need refreshments, but the fact is that things have got congested in her yard. Toby would call it chaotic, and Percy a blankety blank mess. As both Percy and Toby are due to meet there shortly, Mavis prefers to be elsewhere. Toby is there already, waiting on the loop. disappoints Mavis, an incurable optimist. She always hopes that someone will do her work for her and tidy her yard. But Percy, though green, is not as green as that. Besides, he has his own work to do. And waits for the points to be changed. Then he spots the cattle van in position. This might go horribly wrong depending which van we use.
Right.
Yes.
Ah.
To the box now. And turn around. He parks the brake van where it was before.
It's very easy to say where it was before, but not after you've had to work out how to get the brake van to move somewhere.
And the tyres to the locomotive lay-by football.
Mavis?
Yes. Mavis, seeing this, gives up hope. Realistically, and Mavis always likes to put on a good show for her benefit. Accordingly, with much growling and effort, she arranges Percy's wagon.
I did that. Yeah, I wish you hadn't done that. So I've still got to move Mavis around to another bit of the yard. So she's isolated. She stays in QC.
Oh, I see.
No, I just shortcutted by moving the brake van round. I didn't do the chance I was meant to.
Ready for this?
Ready?
Okay. Daisy rolls in at 120. Once she's safely in, Mavis walks over.
Oh, interesting.
I think we might have just like, you know, like I usually introduce everything like I said, my mum has this and I inherited it. Is how I tend to go about it. It's probably about the place because I feel less awkward that way. This is not the case. Yeah.
Already.
Like these conversations while we're driving, so it's not long.
No, bankers don't tend to split the train first thing.
Fire starters. She backs it down into the station yard.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
This switch is rotating very slowly.
Which one?
The direction.
Yes, it does.
It was left and right, now it's up and down.
It does do that. Keep you on your toes. He is coupled to the stone trucks. 30. He is signalled and away. He will take the stone to the harbour and the vans to the junction. And a dog. Toby returns at 2:21. Daisy is still at the platform, so Toby is signalled along the front line. Now that Toby has returned, we can book if you need. Let them know your reg.
Every time I get to this and I forget I've set it, I stop the edge.
all original.
Yeah, all right, yeah.
Yeah, that's this bit, the station bit that she's doing. At 3 o'clock. His passengers are asked to get out as Toby has some shunting to do. Don't look up.
No, that was a photo opportunity so that people could get a picture. Oh, that's one of ours.
Oh, shit.
No, he goes to go take on water. I think you'll find.
John,
Every time.
never do that.
Yeah, Percy does it all the time. Percy and Thomas.
And then goes to collect the oil tanker.
He does. Of course he does.
Alistair.
Is it the wrong way around? It'd be the one counter.
He draws back to clear the points, then pushes the wagons over the reverse curve.
Yeah. Is it? Or is it fear-inducing?
Pushes the wagons over the reverse curve and onto the main line. The rails are great, and is uncoupled.
I don't think he does.
Give it a nudge. Now he goes to collect Henrietta and Elsie. And then pulls forward to the station front. Then back into the platform road. The wagon second part of the timetable program it doesn't come to an end. He left the wagon behind. It's just on the magnet.
They're all just on magnets. He does it all by himself.
And with Toby's
He does it all by himself.
wow, he's not like us today. There we go.
He's doing it all by himself.
Stop the breakdown on that.
He's done it all by himself.
The second part of the timetable program comes to an end.
And Daddy decided
Stepney brings them in smartly at 10 past 4. The timing is important. It is necessary to adhere strictly to the path they have been allotted in order to complete. That blood's gone down.
He comes to a dead stand at the red signal because there's a siphon in the platform. He's then flagged. He's flagged into the station. He buffers up to the siphon, pushing it to the milk dock.
Nudge, please, sir. The prick on the button switch.
Standing well clear for fear that someone might couple her up to it, Daisy has a rooted objection to pulling anything. It's what she says it is bad for her swerves. This suits everybody, for it leaves the platform clear for the special. Unpurses, and allows Percy to draw the saloons to the platform. Really is in the way of anything running around at the station. This completed. This means that he gets away at 6 o'clock, taking the staff with him. Pardon?
Are you narrating already?
We take it in turns, but I generally do lose my voice by the end of it. It depends on how loud everyone is. You need to beat them really if they can't hear you.
I took him to
Here comes Thomas. Toby goes down on a ticket. His train will take the harbour line through the villages, returning quarry workmen to their homes on the way.
long sound effects.
She pauses at the station throat to show off to Daisy. We'll take our time with that, so set your watches. She then backs her wagons into the station yard, is uncoupled, and scurries away. Again, she's a tram engine, so scurrying is a relative term, really. This is Mavis' last appearance at Farquhar Station in this sequence. All she has to do now is return her empties to the quarry and go to shed. We get a nice crawl going today. It's amazing how hypnotic it is as a layout though, because you get clear in the head. Yeah. Is it going to be Thomas? What's he going to be? You're a fan, sir.
Very good.
Knapford and Tidmouth. He will drop the milk van at Elsbridge Dairy on the way down.
Thomas is refusing to go in reverse now. There we go. Forget how heavy the milk van is.
In a procession of down trains, which means that she takes the staff with her. With Daisy's...
Now could we go to the tunnel on the road?
And the third and final part of the timetable programme comes to an end. Right, that was unhelpful. Daisy comes first and heads to the oil depot. Something that is essentially an antique. The models we're operating today are all built by Wilberts or adapted by Wilbert for operation, so this is as near as you're going to get to the real Daisy. The Thomas that's going to come out is one of the real Thomases. It's the second one built in 1978. Annie was built in 1927, so it's nearly 100 years old. He also brings a milk van from Elsbridge Dairy for loading at Knapford. The milk van from the rear and pushes it round. The milk dock where the milk churns are waiting, gently buffers up to the coaches and pushes them back to the station throat.
There is a story that goes along with it.
Yes. That's it. No sugar. I think the reason that Daisy comes cautiously to the platform is because she doesn't want to pull the milk van. She has a rooted objection of pulling anything. She says it is bad for her swell. This train connects with the 8:55 Wild Nor'Wester, non-stop Tidmouth to Barrow, on which there are through coaches for Liverpool, Manchester, Crewe and Euston. And he's a very good artist reference. He has left the junction at 7. He then leaves the open wagons by the coal dock. At Tory Rep, he's going to take the branch to Knapford Harbour, calling at various village halts. This branch, off of the branch, incidentally, is one of the earliest railways in the island.
I'm getting some layout.
And takes the tanker to the oil depot.
That's nicer.
So the little yellow van is a refrigerated van that's full of tippers. Carries all sorts of frozen goods. Also derails the engine.
Leaves it right there.
Do you want to do something with Percy or Mavis?
I'll do it with Mavis.
Okay.
Mavis. If she will uncouple the wagons.
Wow, it looks like Percy's suddenly become a favourite. I really do think it's going to be Percy doing this, Luke.
Yes. She does not want to help.
Mavis only works with quarry trucks, and she insists on only working with quarry trucks, apparently. She doesn't understand conceptually or actually what value other trucks might have for her. Stone is... The problem is that the yellow van should really be next to Percy van out, push it into the milk dock. Uncoupled.
Oh, you've also put that wagon the wrong way around.
Because the box vans were in the wrong...
These are incredibly depressing. Drink them at your own risk.
Why? What's the question? Are they not the tea bag like that?
No, and they are. Yeah. There is a reason I do.
He's due for another half hour. Thomas is playing slip coaches.
Yes, it is.
Always the way, isn't
Do not break the engine.
If you come out, try to heritage song.
Oh, it's have to.
It's like. And the confusing thing is on the TR we have chorus ones with TR boxes, TR ones with chorus boxes. It's a TR.
TR on the side of the forest when it arrives. That's a heritage memory that the weirdest thing is when you see it on like sets, like if you can recreate a set, like everything was done next to it.
I think that there's a tiny.
There's bound to be at least one.
Golden Man! Honey, Golden Man!
Sergeant Pepper's.
Yeah.
When I say descale, scaling. No, it's weird. It's a bit like the blow. Scaling game off. I think maybe it's just the bathroom Thomas stuff, which is like wrong. Then G-scale is usually navigation. Yeah, you're right, no, because yeah. If you close the lid, you can't tell what's going to come out the end. Where did you buy
So there we go.
They're the ones on the Aberystwyth one.
Lydia, stand up, please. Oh yeah, can you see it? If I could see the
Oh, I was going to say. They use seed panels to spread them. And then they just drop it and then send it to
Sharp ballast wagon in the middle. That's the brake van in the middle.
Yeah, flattens out the ballast.
I was just wondering how they do it on Network Rail nowadays, because I don't think I don't know if Network Rail have any.
Some units for a bit and make like feet. Which is the normal.
It's amazing to be making.
Time consuming.
Yeah. Very fiddly.
Can we go on coffee now? That's all right.
Yeah, yeah.
Number 8, that's good.
Behind you. There's a Ford Model 2. on this bit, couldn't quite see it from where it was, but the like abandoned side, like, it's so overgrown we can barely see it at all.
Yeah.
I assume that's coupled up, but I can't see from it.
Yeah, looks good.
Find out now.
At least on one.
So I could do a bit of some sidings that I've got. Nope.
So the answer is it was.
Yeah.
If you were taking photos, this would be great.
Evidence.
Take two.
No, this look.
It is just gonna.
It did last time. Well, at least I think it did.
Oh no. Oh no.
I don't know how much of it is also the grass. I've added lots of this grass since. It should be low enough not to interfere, but
You said it was right out there. If I talking about.
Yeah.
nope.
past Rolo that used the track. No, we actually live near
Right
this,
here, yeah.
this station.
Oh.
In Aberfruit. And do little painting jobs on the real railway. My wife looks after the gardens in the station there.
That's probably gonna happen. Actually, I'm doing some bits and pieces on stuff I can do off the line. Whilst Alan's doing it.
Yeah. Give you something to do. Because you might turn up at the show one time, and you might have a situation like this where you've got partially the school boys who you weren't expecting.
Well, I am doing it because I'm going to swap the connectors. I've got something to see. Because I actually want to do I'll get those and get the thermal plugs to best work really well. Because I'm made 8x1, it's great. So I've only got 8 panels in it, I think. But
So then you've got to make a little money.
what I'd like to do is I'd like to
The right van will be your end, the right van will be the opposite end, and put it up there.
Well, I was trying to get this trying to uncouple, but it doesn't want to. Okay, bring your train in and I'll sort out what I later.
So they're not going to stick the loco into the bay platform.
Where are you putting the loco?
You're going to uncouple the loco, then I'm going to run the loco into the bay platform out the way.
Okay.
No, I'm keeping that. Where he said, look, you go along with it, and then there seems to be a random point. You go along with it, and there's another random point or something. You see, it just seemed to be a bit weird the way that...
But I'd build the point itself so it's physically calm.
Yeah, yeah.
Almost like a thing. How many small of that?
Yeah, yeah. Phil was going to do
Let me know when you're ready, Alex.
Like welding or doing something in the workshop. Then you see light. Stop now.
Lucy Jones.
Most of it's operated from the back. The back of this is a set of mirrors, so they can see over the top of the buildings and see what's going on.
Oh, okay.
But that's just so if you're out the front shunting, you can see what's supposed to be happening on the main run. You can try and keep it out of the way. It was about 3 or 4 years when it first built. The first bits of shows I went to was very much nice clean brick work and if you remember the detail stuff on it, and he progressed over the years to where it got. So we've done the one that's not working. Yeah. We've collected before it goes. You did so because
got those back. No.
it's all right.
nothing to do with this.
So what it was,
Most people, they go to quite a few of the major shows, and they take the trade stand with them.
As soon as he falls down, it's not going to display.
Can you imagine if we found a magnetic museum on Society Day? Right, then do you need a job?
Well, that's working, doing it.
Well, the first time we had it, no one wanted it.
Yeah. Well, it was the first, and we tried to run wherever we wanted to.
I remember.
Basically, you wouldn't go around here with the monitor, but it also back on. It's horrible. I haven't put any additional ways on to it. I'm not also previously out. The only reason I put autotrain from base first is because otherwise you still have to do something from all the passenger services on that side of the railway, we use this side. It sort of makes sense because you've got a platform being in that shop, you have one.
Just a quick reminder that this video is brought to you by Albatross Toys and Models, the go-to shop for model railway enthusiasts in Wales. They've got you covered with an incredible selection of products from major brands, and they are always happy to order anything you need. Be sure to check them out on Facebook and Instagram for their latest stock and special offers. And remember, if you're visiting Aberystwyth, be sure to drop in and say hello. The shop is located at 29 Pier Street, Aberystwyth, and they're open Monday through Saturday from 10 AM to 5 PM, with Sunday openings during peak season and the run-up to Christmas. Thank you to Albatross Toys and Models for sponsoring this video.
Click the platform. No, it's alright.
Yay, we made it into the platform. We made it. Not stopping. Silly thing. Come on.
It might be a case we need to go over the track rubber again.
Maybe.
And derail.
Which way do you need to start?
£35.
What's the point? Why is it the first two vehicles go that far? It's nearly lunch. Well, it is lunchtime. So I haven't quite worked out how I'm going to get
This is the end of the legal manifold.
Yeah, because a friend of mine, ex-Christian Cottage, Samuel John, is the air conditioners to a roll railway cottage. We always said we need to get back
So we were the open railway purely to
invite people from foreign countries over and say, this is what you can have. You say so for private found out, but never get to provide it. Well, actually, you can hire about it. So I don't know eating it. I was telling about this, we should try something that worked better. We should do a DCC demo or something like that. But it's really some real knowledge or other things on the house. But make sure people do
That's all right, I'll take over this. Everything's yours. Hungry. Would you like biscuits or would you like your chocolate?
What gauge is it? End gauge. 2mm to flip stir.
Is it O gauge, the big one, Dan?
There is, yeah. No, but the Western Water they do, they are cracking water. There's an off position where you go back to the off, you can just use a tiny clip. Yeah? Yeah, you can just make out where it is. So, I was so embarrassed with the other video of how hairy my arms were.
This one has been producing clouds of smoke every so often, so...
I was also glad that you played the music. Oh yes.
Wire or something connecting the point.
Oh yeah, it's a wiring tube. So I might possibly want to run something electric in it. But the next bit I built on the same standard didn't have any wiring because once you're into battery remote control, it's so easy.